Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to be making cloud bread. Delicious cloud bread. So you are going to need 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I personally will be using baking powder. You will also need a hand mixer. I already separated my egg whites from my egg yolks. I added the 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. And we're gonna try to mix that together right now. Get it nice and mixed. All right, now we are going to add our 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder to our egg whites. All right, looks like they're about done. All right, guys, so now that we have our parchment paper, sorry, now that we have our parchment paper and our tray, we are just gonna be forming circles. I can fit about 4 at a time, so I'm gonna be doing 4 at a time. And we are going to bake them for 30 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm probably gonna do less time on my oven just because it's super powerful. But I will be doing it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Uy, ya se me han quemado cosas. All right, so let's see. All right, guys, look at our delicious cloud bread. So you just need to pop these out and enjoy. You can save them up for, I believe, 4 days in a Ziploc bag if you make a lot. But wow, let's see. Not bad.